I am Niren Anand, an Indian national who stays in China for almost 14 years, and we are running a company. It's called Xiamen Evertrade Import and Export Company. But before entering to China, I was in Singapore, Indonesia, Thailand, and then came to China in 2007. You see, the first important point is why we are in China. Because China is the major manufacturing hub, global manufacturing hub. And Xiamen is not only for manufacturing, it's the face of all the manufacturing places. Means you can see the offices, the natural places. Xiamen is the best place for your work, for your kids' future, because of multinational and multicultural area. Plus you can see there is a mix of development as well as natural beauty. To be very frank, first time we came to Xiamen, it was quite a nice city. For a business person who is completely immersed in business full time, and when you come outside you can feel, oh, you are on a nice place, you feel very much relaxed. And then there are so many parks, so it's more natural as compared to other places in China. We have started Xiamen Evertrade long time ago, and then we set up an office first here in Xiamen. We do from concept to shipment. So we design, we develop, we manufacture, we export to all our customers. We are doing for all the big brands. And since we moved to Xiamen in 2011, I had a lot of experience to handle with different type of people, with different languages, different nationalities. So that helped us how we should make things better in Xiamen. And we have got a lot of support in Xiamen people, China people, our team. So we can see that's a uniqueness in Xiamen. In COVID time, we have business is getting very low. Even we came to 50% of what we have done last year. We have got the tax rebate in by Beijing government. So there is a lot of financial support from there. You should be very happy to know that Xiamen Evertrade has been get the award to become the most transparent company in Ximing area. So we can see even with what we are doing honestly, and we are getting support as well as we are getting acknowledged by authorities. You see, when you talk about BRICS 2017, it was a milestone for us. Before BRICS, Xiamen was just a city, which is any normal city. But BRICS has given Xiamen an international face. We could see that time there are a lot of development on infrastructure, there are a lot of development on business sides also. And after BRICS, we realized that our business was almost 40 to 45%. We have got growth at that time in year to year. If you talk about 2017 to 2018, we have almost 40% business growth. So it given us a lot of confidence, as well as lot of customer knew about us. Now we are quite used to stay in Xiamen. So for us, there are many friends, even they are not foreigner, they are local Chinese people or from other places. We mingle with them, we communicate with them, and so that we could give more time to our family with a quality life. If I tell you in one word, it's beautiful. If I tell you in two words, beautiful and fantastic. And the best word is perfect.